the Alamo! Today's lesson is about Arizona. It's hot here, man. Cactus. I just found like this giant footprint. Like that. And then there's this big toe thing right here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Bigfoot. Normally hangs out behind Carmenville School Complex in Newfoundland, but today he's here in Arizona. As far as the eye can see, there are these massive sand dunes. There's a song that comes to mind. Ding 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 ding. Comb the desert. I'm in Vegas. Wanted to mark my place on the city since I've been here, and today what I did is I invested in some lightsabers, and I got a star here. I'm gonna activate the lightsabers right now. There's one, there's two, there's three. Oh yeah. I did it. Put my mark on Vegas, right between the P and the A. You got your green lightsaber star. Made the crappy hotel a really super awesome one. Yay, Vegas!